working hard here in Florida. We've expanded our program, David. Now we're in 20 facilities. Our plan this year is to reach 30 facilities across the state of Florida, where we have the Jack Brewer Foundation programs helping to empower fathers. We also starting our behavioral health programs inside of these prisons and jails, giving men actually rehabilitation. So many of these men that are locked up behind bars have substance use disorders. They have mental health issues, and when you have incarceration, when you're locked up in prison for 5, 10, 15 years, you have PTSD. But the problem is the reason why the national recidivism numbers are 46, 47% of men and women that get out of prison come back. In some states, it's up to 70% of men and women who leave prison and jail who come back. The reason those numbers are so high is because no one's treating that PTSD. No one's getting to that root cause. And when they're there, the majority of the time, they're not being programmed. And so we use faith-based programs. We bring in the Word of God. We let the Bible go and soften these men's hearts. And bring them to Jesus Christ, and it's working. And so we hope that our faith-based behavioral health treatment programs at Jack Brewer Behavioral Health will help so many men and women who are incarcerated. And the last thing I'll say, David, is we have to remember over 90% of people in prison are coming out. They're going to be our neighbors. They're going back into our communities. What type of neighbors do we want to produce? Do we want to spend $30,000, $40,000 per inmate to lock someone up and not rehabilitate them? It doesn't make sense. And so we're taking a stand for that across Florida and the nation.